Going to do the recap right now for you real quick. Sharing the screen right now. Basically, we had rally pop up pre-market. We had a pullback here, which was perfect. A little indecision, then a breakout to a target one trade. So perfect little set of fibs that we draw all the time. If you want to know why I drew it back here, there was a major pullback. So that's where I look at my first set of fibs. If you want to see it, I usually do it on the one. And that would be the easiest way to see it. Open range breakout at the open, broke over the 5-minute play out, and then went up after some decision. NLSP, hopefully we have that chart coming up pretty soon. Kind of broke down at the open. You'll see these first 5-minute candles. It did break this for a target one. So if you're looking at the trade, this would have been your target right here. This would have been your set of fibs right here as well. We go ahead and get those for you right here. And you would have had to target one, then a possible another run if you got the same confluent area, and it also happened to be VWAP. ASNS had some plays in it in the afternoon. I took this play right here. Pretty easy way to see that it's building back up, coming up here, right here. And I actually got some of this move as well right here, right before the close. And then we have CMTL. This was the one I think that did the open range at the open. Had another run at the afternoon. Okay, almost had a nice cup and handle. Because if you see this long cup right here. Anyway, nice breakout over this 267. I had some computer issues. I think I got this one only. And my computer wasn't even on. The internet was on. I had to go back and look at my days amount. And that's what I ended up getting. So ended up getting about 2 on that move real quick. And then over here, the breakdown. And then we're just looking, you're seeing this confluent area right here. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, here's another shoulder. And if you want to be safe, you can do over the wicks. Or if you see the bodies right here, that's where I draw my personal fibs right here. And then I look for those 2 target moves after that. You had 1, 2, and a little excess, all good. Almost the same area. It couldn't break earlier as well over there. It might actually be a decent hold in other hours. So kind of slow traffic. I would actually set alarm somewhere. It might just creep up after hours if there's people doing some shorts. So I'm going to go ahead and create an alert right there. And I'm probably going to create 2 because I don't want to miss this. If this actually goes for 10, we'll do a little bit less than the current price. We had GovX. I think I traded that in a pizza parking lot. I think I treated myself. Hopefully my wife doesn't hear this video. Oh, Lord, it went even more. All right, so I basically got the move after the move, this move right here. So these are the moves. If I've missed the move, I let it go. I missed this move, and I'm good. I know what's going to happen. Let it break down. And then right here, this is the move I got. And I only got to 189. I didn't think I was going to break VWAP, but big bullish move. Probably need to hold till I see a sign to let it go. But to me, I get my good 20-cent move. I'm good with enough shares that I do. I don't like to hold. And then basically, if you did draw up the fibs after that move or looking for it when it did the exact same maneuver here, you could have got in here. Very easy to see, and went for up target, almost a target one to perfection. We're going to look at the 1 day, see if any other runners. I think it was just CMTL. We already did this. ASNS, and there it is kind of creeping up at that area right now. Rally, and then I think one of my friends got some NXL at the end. Yeah, right there. He probably got this move right here. I know we both know that move very well. If you'd have seen this indecision candle, that would have been a good entry as well at the $1.06, and also that's probably the only one running. And then I think he also mentioned this one midday. I think it was a slow grinder. I can't do slow grinders because it takes too long for me to see it. This is a clear, easy move for me. Yeah, that move should have been very easy right here as well, that mover right there. So let me draw the fibs for it. I'm going to actually drag it up. Give me a second to get it all the way down. And you'll probably have a perfect target. Yep, perfect target too right there. And this retry, if I did a set of indicators, I would do this one to see if it was grinding up on one of them. If it's still running up and it's on, yeah, kind of red MACD. I don't take that trade, the secondary trade right here, because it looks like it's running up, but it's out of steam. You can also see it later in the day, but that's like that little small hump that goes right back out on the trade. Y'all have a good day. I think the day's off tomorrow. If you find yourself losing some of this stuff, you're missing these entries and you're catching these entries. And then it's just downtrending after that. And you're not being very happy. What you're doing is you're missing some of the other moves that are clearly demonstrating themselves on the way up. So what you need to do is start getting those moves in and then forget about chasing it. Because if you're losing, all you're doing is chasing, and then you can't take the breakdown, and you're chasing, and then you held way, way too long. So if y'all need any help, let us know. Be glad to help.